Don't be pushed by your problems, be led by your dreams because you are worth it. This has been the driving force for Eka Takayawa's success as the Bank South Pacific's Lambasa branch manager. The mother of two believes one should never give up despite their challenges in life. Kritika Kumar with her success story.
Born in Lautoka and raised in Lambasa, Takayawa held on to her mother's teachings over the years, overcoming one of the biggest challenges she ever encountered.
Some people, when I left my first husband, some people said, oh, you should have stayed on because of the children. But, I tell them, it was because of the children I had to leave, because it had become a violent situation that I had no choice. It was a matter of staying or be dead in the next 2-3 years.
The 55-year-old never dreamt of becoming a banker. However, her desperate need of a job lands her in the banking sector. She believes hard work and due diligence has led to her success.
One thing, the comment that I get from my staff is that they enjoy because I work with them. And as we were working together, I'm teaching them some of the things that I feel is not supposed to be done this way, and that is what they like. They like that I'm working with them and teaching them the things that needs to be done.
Spending around 30 years in the banking sector has taught Takayawa a lot, and she has been able to enhance her skills and expand her knowledge as well. Takayawa says the working environment has changed and highlighted the need for women to recognize their skills and build upon it.
My message to you is just work hard, do what needs to be done. If you feel that you have not done your education, maybe you've just gone up diploma level, take it up another level, because the environment now, the world now has progressed so much that you need to have an educational background in order to. And if you have an educational background, you are a hard worker and you are a person who's there for your staff. Being sitting in my chair will not be something that is unattainable.
She adds that one cannot control every situation and its outcome, but they can control their attitude and how they deal with the challenges. Kritika Kumar, FBC News.